Hi there, this video will hopefully explain how to split our screens and help those students who have not yet figured out how to split their screen. It's a little bit of a difficult process when we're not face to face and in the classroom, so I completely understand if they're having a hard time seeing what I'm seeing on my screen. This is the Google Chrome application that's open right now. And what splitting your screen does is making sure that you have one application open on the left side of your desktop and another application open on the right. So I'm going to show them how you would use Google Classroom and Zoom at the same time. The first thing you have to do is look for this restore down key or button. It's on the top right of your Google Chrome, and it's two boxes, but one box is in front of the other. So when you click that, the screen should get a little smaller. If it doesn't, that just means you have to find the corner of it in order to move it larger and smaller. So what I asked the students to find is this double-sided arrow. There's this regular mouse when I go inside of Google Chrome, and then when I go to the side of the screen, there is a double-sided arrow. So I'm going to click and drag that whole screen to the left side of my desktop. I can move this screen by clicking into the gray bar above the Google Chrome. So that's how I would make that screen go to the left. Now, when you're opening Zoom, we have this huge screen open, and when they click out of it, that means Zoom goes away for them sometimes. Or when they click into this application, that means it goes on top of the Zoom screen. So I'm going to click back into the Zoom, and right now it's in open, but I want to click again on that restore down button where it has the two boxes in front of the other. I'm going to find my double arrow and click and drag until I can fit the whole Zoom screen onto the left side of my page so that they can use Google Classroom or iReady, but that they can also see me during a tutorial. If you have any questions about moving things around or anything that I didn't cover in this video, please let me know in the comments down below.